Good morning. Today, we will review key highlights from Recursion's first quarter 2025 earnings call. Recursion continues to sharpen its strategic focus on executing a disciplined R&D approach to advance a streamlined pipeline of high-priority therapeutic candidates. The organization emphasizes data-driven decision-making and accelerated progression or termination of programs based on predefined scientific and strategic benchmarks. Let's dive into the details. Notable collaboration progress. A fourth milestone was achieved in Recursion's collaboration with Sanofi, tied to the advancement of an oral autoimmune candidate. This milestone, accompanied by a $7 million payment, highlights continued progress within the 3-year partnership. Pipeline developments. Recursion's internal portfolio reflects prioritization of assets with clear differentiation and clinical promise. They have 4 programs in clinical development and 1 program in preclinical development that they are advancing towards clinical trials. First, the 𝗦𝗡 inhibitor for FAP, REC-4881. Preliminary results from the TUPELO study were reported, which showed a 43% median reduction in polyp count and equals 6 at week 13. The safety profile was consistent with the MEK inhibitor class. These data were recently presented at Digestive Disease Week, DDW, as a late-breaking abstract. Next, the CDK7 inhibitor, REC-617. This potential best-in-class compound is under evaluation in APH1 to trial in advanced solid tumors. Initiation of combination studies remains on track for the first half of 2025. The RBM39 degrader, REC-1245. This highly selective degrader is designed for biomarker-selected solid tumors and relapsed, refractory lymphomas. It's currently in phase 1/2 development. Initial safety and pharmacokinetics data from monotherapy dosing are expected in the first half of 2026. Next, the PI3Kα-H1O47R mutation inhibitor, REC-7735. Preclinical findings show dose-responsive tumor regression in breast cancer cells with no hyperglycemia, a common and problematic side effect of PI3K inhibitors. The company expects to nominate a development candidate in the second half of 2025. Finally, the END1 inhibitor for hypophosphatasia, part of a joint venture with Relyvrio, is named REV-102. This program is undergoing IND-enabling studies. Preclinical data indicate that REV-102 may provide similar efficacy to current enzyme replacement therapies with the added benefit of once-weekly dosing. A phase 1 study is projected to start in the second half of 2026. In line with its pipeline refinement strategy, Recursion has discontinued development of REC-2282, a pan-cancer epigenetic therapy, and REC-994, an oral MEK inhibitor for inflammatory bowel disease. The company is also exploring out-licensing opportunities for REC-3964, a TKI for the treatment of acute myeloid leukemia. Strategic partnership advancements. In addition to the Sanofi collaboration, Recursion's work with Roche, Genentech is progressing. The 2 companies have generated 5 AI-driven phenotypic maps, phenomaps, which incorporate over 1 trillion cellular images and 171 terabytes of data. These phenomaps are being used to advance drug discovery efforts in gastrointestinal oncology and neuroscience. Looking ahead, Recursion's leadership remains confident in its approach, emphasizing the strength of its platform and the potential of its focused portfolio. The company is well-positioned to deliver on its promise of transforming the way diseases are treated through its precise and efficient drug development approach. Thank you for listening. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. And I look forward to providing an update on Recursion in the next quarter. Thank you.